Hi guys, this is a YouTube channel, Modern and Divine Homes, and this is Dr. Jaskiran. I keep on uploading. So guys, I won't hurt the women because I come up with a very interesting and suitable product for the women who have just chemically treated their hair, especially when you color your hair, when you make your hair color, or getting yourself streaks done at the parlor, at various salons. So you will be eager to know that what type of shampoo you will use, what type of conditioner you will use after you have just chemically treated your hair. So this is one stop solution for the chemically treated hair. If you have make your hair colored and you are very new to that, you don't know what type of shampoo you will use, what type of conditioner you will use, this is the one stop solution. So this is L'Oreal Professional Paris Sari Expert Resveratrol Vitamino Color Shampoo. So this is a color radiance system for color treated hair. So this is because you have chemically treated your hair, and the treatment of the color is also with the chemicals. So this is after you have just chemically treated your hair, you will use this shampoo, and it will never pinch on your pocket, because this comes in a very handy packet, and this comes in a very reasonable rate. And I have already used many other, like Sebastian, I have used when I have chemically treated your hair, but this is also my personal experience. Try to use this, and you will use this on and on. After applying this, as a shampoo, you have to apply a little bit of this on your scalp and the other parts of your hair in order to, cleanse them properly. And after, cleaning the hair properly with the shampoo, try to, wring your hair properly in order to remove the extra water in them, and try to apply this. This is a conditioner, and this comes in a very good packing. This is very beautiful packing, and small is also beautiful. And you have to apply this on the wet hair. Just start applying from the scalp, not on the scalp, but the hair near the scalp, on each hair near the scalp, and on the length of the hair. Apply this to the total length of the hair, until the total length of the hair, but do not apply too much. So guys, this is a conditioner, and this comes in a very beautiful packing, and small is also beautiful. So this is Resveratrol Vitamino Color Mask, color radiance for color treated hair, professional formula. So you may worry that this is mask or conditioner. So guys, this is mask, serve as a conditioner. This is mask, but this serves as a conditioner. I use it as a conditioner after applying this shampoo properly on the hair, and try to rinse the hair with clear water, and then wring the hair till they become a little wet, and then you have to apply this on your hair, on the wet hair, and try to apply till the end of your hair, not on the scalp, but from the starting of the hair till the end of the hair. And you will be amazed to see the change in the texture of your hair. Your hair becomes so silky and so frizz free, and this is the amazing hair you will get after the wash. You will definitely get the result after the wash. So there is also a little instruction. Try to apply on the wet hair, leave it on the 1 minute, leave it for 1 minute. Rinse thoroughly. In case of contact with the eyes, rinse them thoroughly with water. This is also instrumental test shampoo plus mask versus non-conditioning shampoo. So this serve as a mask and non-conditioning shampoo. This is a conditioner, I'll tell you, because I have applied it on my face. This is a mask in French language, but this is a conditioner in Indian language. So if you will use this product on and on, you will never fed up of this. And this is also my personal experience. And how to use this shampoo: apply evenly on the wet hair, then the foam will be formed, and rinse thoroughly. Follow with vitamin O mask. In case of contact with eyes, rinse your eyes thoroughly with water. So these are the list of ingredients that are contained in this shampoo. So if you want to purchase the shampoo after coloring your hair, after you are done with your hair color, so try to use this shampoo again and again in order to maintain the same color on your hair. So thank you, like and subscribe. The bottle of the two is again awesome, and they are so beautiful.